Good morning, Trout Wildcats. Guys, you can see that the gym is kind of crazy looking this morning, right? Okay, if you're in second, third, fourth, or fifth, you know why. Why is that? AR party! And my goodness, I have a stack of certificates that some people must have just got their AR goal yesterday. Is that right? Whoa. Alrighty. Would you please stand? Perfect. Face the American flag. Put your right hand up. Put it over your heart. Oh, I apologize. Let me look out at you really quick. I see one hood. Do hoods belong on in the school building?
No, absolutely.
Let me do some more investigating. I see a dad with his hat off. Good job. That's what we do when we have hats on. We take them off for pledges and in the building. All right, ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to our Oklahoma flag, attention, salute. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Okay, I'm going to ask you to do something strange that you've never done before, but would you turn your bodies and look up at the balcony if you're here. We are going to do our Trout School Creed. Everyone give a big wave. All right. Who are we?
We are Trout Wildcats.
Who are we?
We are leaders. We are friends. We are helpful. We are creative. We are disciplined.
What do we do?
We always aim high. We always show compassion. We always do our best. We are a team. We are winners. We are Trout Wildcats.
You guys are amazing. Please have a seat. Awesome job. Please join me in a moment of silence to pray, reflect, or simply be silent. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, so as you know, the AR party is today. If you did not make your AR goal, you will be going to the library to listen to a really cool story. All righty, we're going to move this backpack over because I have a feeling I might have some kids running this way. From Miss Rice's class, do we have Miss Sadie Heron? She's partying with us. From Mr. Walter's class, Adrian has met his AR goal. Come on, brother. So proud. Mr. Landon Ford, are you up there? You have met your AR goal. Say all right. Miss Parks, I have Landon's aboard if you can. Miss Riley from Miss Holder's class, 50 bucks. Awesome. Miss Minot's class, Sean Knoll. Come on. I saw this guy at the football game last night. Alex Marcos. Come on. Waylon Fleming. Ryder Miller. Come on down. Fifth grade. You are ready to party. Okay, from Miss Chambers' class, Dodger Riggs has met his goal. Where's Dodger? Oh, my lands. Okay, we're watching for Miss Dodger. Mr. Dodger. There you go, my dear. There you go, Mr. Whaley. Mr. Ryder. Oh, Emily McRae, first quarter AR goal. we had met it a while ago. Yay, good job. Harper Van Heusen, first quarter AR goal. Yay! Is Miss Vinnie Patel in the house for her first quarter AR goal? All right, we're watching for Vinnie. And Kayleana Warrior from Miss Myers. Good job. There's Vinnie. Hi, Pumpkin. No Kayleana yet? How about Miss Rory? Is she here for her first quarter AR goal? Okay, so, this is awesome. All righty, let's give them a great big wildcat cheer. Well, you guys go ahead and have a seat. We have some more from Miss Day. Thanks, Ray. Amazing. 1, 2, 3 more. Miss Mari Kerr has met her AR goal. Where's Miss Mari? There she is. Come on, baby. Ella Williford. Come on, Ella. You guys ready to party? Have fun. And then Landry Hudson, 25% of ST Math. Whoa. I got you, girl. Come on over here. All righty. All right, where to go? Where to go? I don't know, but get on up here. All right, one more round of applause for these lovers. Good job, children. All right, go ahead and have a seat. All righty. Boys and girls, for lunch today, it's pepperoni pizza. And I need your attention on me. Eyes on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands in your laps. Okay, tonight is a very special night in Ponca City. As you can tell, we have our football players in the house. Come on up, football players. Woo-hoo. Alrighty. I need you to tell me, who are we playing tonight?
Sapulpa.
Sapulpa. Do you think we're going to beat them?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you guys to introduce yourselves, okay? And tell us what elementary school you went to and what position you play for our football team. Are we Trout Wildcats? Yeah! Are these huge Trout Wildcats? Yeah!
My name is Cole Strickland. I went to Kildare, and I play running back.
My name is Braden Head. I went to McCord Elementary, and I'm a receiver.
My name is Johnson Burke. I went to Newkirk and Trout, and I play quarterback.
My name is Jeremy Evans, and I went to Kansas, and I play receiver.
I love that so much. So do you guys remember one day when my Wildcats wanted you to do this, like, Kenny, have you figured out how to do that yet? Okay. Why don't you do it heading that way, because we have one more thing to do. Give them a round of applause. Come on, guys. Come on, show us your moves. Oh, yes! Those are Wildcats making party with us. All right, I love them so much. I love them. Okay, teachers, I want to know how many of our students are wearing Trout or Wildcat gear. Teachers, count Trout shirts now and Wildcat shirts right now. There's probably not many because it's picture day. That's easy. Oh, look at the calculators coming out. Teachers have to figure percentages. How do you figure a percentage on a calculator? You take the number of people that have on their Wildcat gear and divide it by the number of people in the class. I can't wait. Our amazing Miss Duffy's class won it last week. Let's see who's got it this week. All right. Would everyone please stand? This is only the second time we've done this, so this is brand new. All right, boys and girls, you'll keep an eye on your teacher. They will tell you when to sit down. If your class has at least 5% wearing shirts, you may stay standing. Okay, look, teachers are saying sit down. It's picture day. I don't expect everyone wearing Trout gear today. If your class has 10% wearing Wildcat shirts, you can stay standing. 10%. 15%. Oh my goodness, we have 4th grade, 3rd grade, 20%. Whoa, we lost one 4th grade, 20. Oh, we lost both 4th graders. Miss Day's class, you won! Good job! All right, would you send this? Oh, here we go, Miss Day. Great job. All right, boys and girls, it's Friday. I hope you can all make the game tonight for football. Teachers, I'll be coming around with a list of who has to have retakes because they weren't here, they were sick. Also, you'll ask your students, hey, did your mom say have a retake, and you'll be able to send them up. But I'll come around with the list of what I know so far, and we'll get started shortly with 5th grade doing their class pictures as soon as possible. All right, watch your teachers for dismissal. Make it an awesome Friday.